My name's Jeff Hardesty. I'm a head brewer and co-owner of Narrow Gauge Brewing Company. So the vanilla itself, I feel, kind of smoothened out all of the sour IPAs. Sometimes the dry hopping in the sour IPA can add a little bit of a bitterness to it, whereas the vanilla could help round that out a little bit. So I'm going to make sure I give a nice clear route for CO2 to escape through once I put the hops in and I go to put my dry hop port lid back on. Now we're going to give it 5 or so days to ferment the rest of that fruit out, as well as time to sit on the hops in order to extract the flavor and aromas that we're looking for. So Lemon Drop, Motueka are both hops that have real nice characteristics that can help a fruit have a little bit more of a pop to it, as opposed to if it didn't have that background note from the hops to help kind of push that aroma to the next level or flavor to the next level.